Hello and welcome back to the channel. Do I have something special for you? Because I'm at All Revved Up Motorcycles in Swansea because we're going to unbox the brand new Benelli TRK 902X. We're going to have a good look at it, set it up, because today this is going to a customer. I can't wait for this, shall we? Right, here we go. Let's uncrate the mighty xplorer. Here we are. Oh yes, look at that. Well, with the brand spanking new flagship model, the Explorer, shall we go through some of the things that you get included on this bike? So let's start with the engine. Well, the engine will produce 93 brake horsepower and 90 Newton meters of torque. Stopping power, well, it's got twin disc and Brembo brakes. Now the suspension is Mazzocchi, fully adjustable front and rear. Now it's got spoked rims that are tubeless, and it also has a 19 on the front and a 17 on the rear. So the windscreen is fully adjustable, nice and easy, and you can easily reach that from the cockpit. Now it comes fully specced out, as you can see by this beautiful joystick of fun. You've got things like heated seat, heated grips, you've got cruise control as well. You can set a limiter to it. It literally has everything you can think of. Now when it comes down to power, you'll find inside here you've got your USB sockets, and let's not forget the auxiliary lights. Don't they look good? Crash bars and a metal bash plate. Now this comes with every single safety system you can think of. It has a 360 radar on this, and it will warn you in case anybody comes past you. So up here on the mirror, that will turn red, and if anybody's there, what it will do, it will give that indication, meaning that you're not going to pull out and potentially have an accident. It also has a camera on the front as well, so it's recording the action the entire time. They come with a tracker built into these bikes, so for extra security, you can know exactly where your bike is. So here's the incredible thing, right? The Explorer is 7,999 on the road, and I haven't covered everything. So if you want to find out the full in-depth specs, pop over to the website, go and check out motogb.co.uk. But if you want to swing your leg over this and take it for a test ride, and you live anywhere near Swansea, pop over to All Revved Up Motorcycles, because they've got these in stock, ready to go. And I tell you what, I can't wait to get one of these on press and take it out on the road and give it a proper full swing. But for now, I'm just gonna have to wait.